Hello guys, I welcome you all to this video lecture series on Python application programming described by VTU. So far in my previous videos, we have discussed about module 3 and the data type and structure with respect to list. In this video, we are going to discuss about a dictionary. So unlike list, a dictionary is a set of unordered key value pairs, whereas in a list it is an ordered set of elements. So in our previous video we have seen strings elements can be accessed using index values, and those index values were integers. But here values in dictionaries are accessed using keys. A key in a dictionary can be any immutable type like strings, numbers, and tuples. Here I have an example of a list where A is a list of integers from 1 to 15. Suppose if I want to access any element inside this list A, it has to be accessed with the square bracket and with its index value. Say for example A of 0. If I am going to print A of 0, so it will print the first element of the list, that is 1. So the index value here, it is integer. Whereas in the dictionary, the index value can be of any type like strings, numbers, and tuples. And those index values are referred in terms of keys. And a dictionary is a collection of unordered set of key and value pairs. As lists are mutable, it can be modified using index assignments, slicing, or using methods like append, extend, etc. They cannot be a key for dictionary. They cannot be a key for dictionary. So here dictionary is a mapping between keys and values. Each key maps to a value. So this is a list. If I want to change this index, this element of the list, I can simply call it by its index and simply assign a new value to the element saying that I'm going to change this value of the string. Whereas in the dictionary, so here this is an example of the dictionary which consists of a key value pairs, where I have a key of string 1 and a value 1, and separated by a comma with the second key value pair, that is 2.3, which is a float, and the value of this 2.3 is 2, and separated by comma again a third element of the dictionary, third key value pair of the dictionary, that is 2 colon string, and the fourth element is 3 colon 3.2. These are the key value pairs of the dictionary, and it is created inside a flower braces or flower bracket. So now index value can be of any type like integer, as I said, integer, or a float, or a string. So it can be of any type. So how to access a element inside the dictionary? Simply call by its key value D colon say 1. Now you can see I'm going to call by its value